when did this overprescription of psychiatric drugs really begin? Because I'm a 90s kid, and I
Yeah.
remember in the 90s, like every kid that I went to school with was on Ritalin. And it was so prevalent. And a lot of the guys that I knew who used Ritalin would sell it in the bathroom for, $15 a pill to other kids. And it was wild how many of my peers growing up were taking these, mind altering substances. Do we know when this really started and what the driver was behind it?
I would say we can probably go back to 1987 when Prozac was approved for the general marketplace for adults, and it became widely available and then promoted as like this happy pill. This was a combination of the drug companies working with the FDA and academics from major institutions in misleading propaganda around an SSRI, which is selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, which is the first kind of antidepressant pill that is marketed to the general population. And what you just saw was a combination of that with direct to consumer advertising between the pharmaceutical companies and the United States media. They're the major funder of a lot of news and media, so they can really kind of control the message. They've really bought mainstream psychiatry. Psychiatry was a dying profession until they started aligning with the pharmaceutical companies to identify depression, anxiety as a brain illness.